Now we'll learn about sublimation. We know that most substances or most solids on heating, when they're heated, they give you a liquid. And liquids on heating, they give you a gas. So when substances are heated, when heated, they give you a liquid. Liquid on heating give gas. Now from gases, if a gas is cooled, we get a liquid, and if a liquid is cooled, we get a solid. But there are some substances on heating solid, they directly give you a gas, and when gases are cooled, they directly form solids. This changing of a solid directly into a gas is called sublimation, or the changing of a gas directly into a solid is also called sublimation. However, here there is heating, on heating, and when a gas is cooled, it directly gets into a solid. This is called sublimation. Below are some substances that sublime. So that's like ammonium chloride. We have ammonium chloride, camphor. We use this camphor balls to keep away moths in the clothes. Then we have iodine, we have naphthalene, we have anthracene. All these substances sublime. What you mean by sublime is when heated, when all these are heated, they directly from a solid, they directly give a gas. So here is a setup of sublimation. We have a china dish. This is the china dish, and in that china dish is placed some ammonium chloride. Of course, it's not yellow in color, but it's just for you to understand. Here this is ammonium chloride. This is solid ammonium chloride. Now the ammonium chloride is heated as shown here. Now when ammonium chloride is heated, what happens to ammonium chloride is from a solid it directly gets into the vapor state. So here you get vapors of ammonium chloride. These vapors of ammonium chloride rise up, and in this region they cool down, and you get solid ammonium chloride again here. So from the solid state in this, it directly changes into a gaseous state, and again it cools down at this, the ammonium chloride, and again it becomes into a solid. Now this cotton plug is used here so that the vapors do not escape. So this is a process of sublimation, changing solid directly into a gas. Another good example of sublimation is dry ice. Let us see what is dry ice. Now dry ice is solidified carbon dioxide. Solidified carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide that is made into a solid. So when carbon dioxide, that is a gas, the gaseous carbon dioxide is cooled, it directly turns into a solid, and this solid is called dry ice. Look at the picture here. You have solid carbon dioxide here, and it directly changes into this vapor, gas of carbon dioxide. it is undergoing sublimation. So changing from solid to this gas is called sublimation. Now this dry ice is maintained if you want to maintain dry ice, you need low temperature and high pressure. And the use of dry ice, is refrigeration. It is very good to refrigerate. Refrigeration or to preserve substances, maybe fruits, vegetables. An advantage of dry ice is since it turns from gas into a solid, it does not wet the substance. The substance doesn't come across liquid. It does not become liquid. So again I repeat, what is dry ice? Dry ice is nothing but solidified carbon dioxide. When carbon dioxide gas is cooled, it becomes into a solid, and that is called dry ice. So here in the picture we saw how this solid carbon dioxide, when it's kept exposed, it directly becomes into a gas. There is no liquid here, and this is called sublimation. How do we maintain dry ice? We need to keep it at low temperature, very low temperature, and under very high pressure. And it is used for refrigeration, to preserve fruits, vegetables and other substances.